Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you these vegan cookies that are perfect for the Christmas time. I love them a lot. I actually did them in the beginning of December and they were gone within a minute. So you want to start out with some nuts in a bowl, and all the exact measurements are gonna be down below. You want to basically add all your dry ingredients right now, and so cinnamon, flour, everything like that, and then you want to give it a good mix. Then you want to squeeze an orange because you're going to use the orange juice, and you want to add that in as well. And I added a little bit too much, so my dough was a little bit too liquidy, but if you stick to the measurements down below, it will work out fine. You want to mix again until you have a nice even dough. So I added a little bit more flour just to make it workable. And then you can go ahead and roll it out. Then you want to produce little stars with that. That's just the classic shape that I know for these kinds of cookies. You can do any shape you want. And then you want to bake these with 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Then you want to let them cool down. Next up, you want to take your powdered sugar, a little bit of cinnamon and some water, and you want to mix that until you have a nice glaze. Then you want to take your cookies and just get some of that glaze right on top, and the cookies should be completely cold for that, so it works best. And then you can just put them on a tray and let them cool down, harden basically, and you're ready to enjoy them. So this is one of my absolute favorite Christmas recipes. I think it's so delicious. I really like the cinnamon with the sugary goodness and the nuts and stuff. So I hope you give this a try, and I will talk to you tomorrow for the last video. Bye!